my cat sleeping like this. Every time something like this. And she covered my whole bed. I can't lay down with my pillow's right there. And I can't lay on my pillow because she's in my way. She's sleeping weird. I know. I think she's awake, but dragging her too. Weird sleeping. Like a ball. A little bit. A ball. So weird. Okay. I want to show you. Sleep it. Oh, there she goes. Say hi. Yeah, she's like a ball. She's so cute. Hey. You gotta touch your nose. I think she's asleep now. Bye.